What's up? Good afternoon everyone, and it's ready 6:19 na, and decided to jump in sa may mountain na. And syempre, kailangan natin meron tayo lang tubig. So, I'd like to share you the tumbler that I bought. It's 40 ounce. Dami na, pwede makarga. So, almost 1.2 na rin to 1.2 liters. Yeah, this is Aqua Flask. If you are interested, pwede yung check siya. Time check. It's 6:35. Guys, we finished 30 minutes. Babalik na po tayo. It's 6:46. Time check 6:53. So guys, ito na tayo. Gusto ko yun. Yung gabi na, and we're thankful dahil tayo dyan, sir. Pinagpag. So, this is my third time or fourth time na 5 kilometers. Hindi ganun kalayo pero proud pa rin. We finished this one. And so we did it. Bye.